Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope you all are fine and safe and sound at your home. This is your social studies book and I am your social studies teacher. We have started chapter number 2 of our geography section, which is climatic regions of the Muslim world. We have discussed many times that what is meant by Muslim world. The countries where the majority of the population is Muslim and those countries whose governments have declared that they are Islamic countries. For example, we have Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Iran, Turkey. All are the different examples of Muslim countries. Then in our previous videos, we have discussed the difference between weather and climate. Weather is the daily change of temperature. The daily change of temperature or the day-to-day change of temperature is known as weather. And what is climate? Climate is the change of temperature of a place for a long period of time. Now in this chapter, we have to discuss the climatic regions of the Muslim world. We have discussed many topics of this chapter, like we have discussed deserts, semi-deserts, tropical forests, temperate deserts. Now today the topic which we are going to discuss is Mediterranean climate. What is Mediterranean climate? A climate distinguished by warm, wet winter under prevailing westerly winds and calm, hot, dry summers are known as Mediterranean climate. Have you ever heard the word Mediterranean Sea? What is Mediterranean Sea? An international sea that stretches from the Atlantic Ocean on the west to Asia on the east, and it separates Europe from Africa. That sea which separates Europe from Africa is the Mediterranean Sea, and it is that sea which stretches from the Atlantic Ocean on the west to Asia on the east. Now the countries who are having Mediterranean climate are the coastal areas of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Syria, Turkey and Lebanon. The coastal areas of these countries, like the coastal areas of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Syria, Turkey and Lebanon, these are having the Mediterranean climate. Now what are the things which produce there? Or we can say that the productions of Mediterranean climate: grapes, citrus, olives, tobacco, vegetables, flowers and many other fruits are produced there. Now the topic Mediterranean climate is on page number 6 of our social studies book. Mediterranean climate. This is a very favorable climate with mild, wet winters and fairly warm, dry summers. Unfortunately means bad luck. The Mediterranean climate is not very widespread, but it forms a narrow belt around the shores of the Mediterranean Sea. The coastal areas of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Syria, Turkey and Lebanon enjoy the rich climate. They produce grapes, citrus and many other fruits, olives, tobacco, vegetables and flowers. Most of these among the highest priced agricultural products. Many of these, especially vegetables and flowers, are also flown to the rich markets of Northern Europe. Now, this is the end of our today's topic, Mediterranean climate. I hope you people understand today's topic. Now, inshallah, in next video, we will go through the last topic of chapter number 2, which is monsoon, and then we will do the written work of this chapter, which also help you to do the April May task in your neat copies. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.